Hi friends, welcome back to Curiosity Tube, and today I have something special with me. We are going to unbox and review the MG Hector First Aid Kit by Morris Garages. So, without much ado, let's open it. So now first we'll cut the outer package. And it's in a really nice little cotton package. And now let's open the seal. So now that we have opened the seal, let's remove this and open the packet. So first we have some paperwork, some instructions. Next we have sterilized absorbent gauze. Then we have elastic adhesive bandage. Then we have cotton crepe bandage. Oh, what's this? Antiseptic cream. The name of this cream is cetramide cream. Then we have medicated washproof adhesive dressing. This is our good old band-aid. For the last, we have sterilized combined dressing. I think that's pretty much it. Let's hope no one has to use this, but just in case, these are the contents, which I think are pretty sufficient for a minor injury. Thank you friends for watching, and if you like the video, please like, comment and share it. And please subscribe to my channel too. I am a new YouTuber, so please support me. Thanks again for watching. Stay home, stay safe. See you in the next video. Bye.